to ask you as a taxpayer, I pay your wages. Why are there people from the Ford intelligence? Excuse me. Why are the people from the Ford? Yeah.
Or I need to contact the press house.
The press conference. I'm asking you.
I got told that at Parliament
I
today.
pay for your wages. Why are there people from the Ford? What are they
Ford intelligence team.
From the Ford intelligence team here. Are you looking for terrorists? Why? I'm asking you what you're doing here. Why aren't you?
You can answer like a human being. Just ignore the fact you're a police officer and just.
My name's Danny. Yeah, and I'm really feeling quite frightened because I'm here to have a really good time, and then I'm being told that there are people in from the Ford intelligence team. How do you think I feel?
I'm having a good time.
No, but why are you here? I don't understand why you're here, because, like, do you honestly think that you're going to find terrorists at a gathering of kind of people who care about the planet and, you know, who are basically finding ways of non-violent protest? Why are you looking here for terrorists? Surely that would be the last place. You would find a terrorist.
Beware of swine flu. Beware of terrorism. These things are very, very dangerous. You have a very, very high chance of being killed by a terrorist. Look at this one, for example.
Terrorist!
Terrorist. What's in that drum of yours, sir? We all know our public service announcements sound better under GABA techno.
You are policeman, cameraman.
What do you think about the idea of questioning authority? What do you think about the idea of questioning authority? I think it's important not to have to talk to do what they say.
Obviously, we're asking any questions. We can't answer. We need to go to and it's why he is a police photographer. If any questions,
No, he's a human being.
hang on a minute, bear with me, I'm going to explain. Any questions, you need to go through the NS
press office.
Press office. If you could please, we are not going to answer any questions. As you can imagine, well, I'm not going to answer any further questions. Further ones.
Keep on answering questions, right?
That's what I'm saying.